besties. I did my 5-minute journal this morning, did my gratitude moment, took Addie out, the whole shtick. Now I'm gonna make my morning beverages, my morning liquids, if you will. I like to have my athletic greens and then matcha, and then sometimes I'll do like green tea with lemon or just hot lemon water. It's 2 to 3 drinks every morning, never just one. I also keep my vitamins in this cute little bowl that my mom bought me. So I'm gonna give you my matcha recipe. Oh, I can't get my other camera to work to give you B-roll of this, but I'll like explain it as I do it. I have the kettle going, and what I do for my matcha is I'll take my glass and then I'll take a little one of these matchas. These are like the travel packs, so I need to buy like the full size of this matcha because it is the best tasting matcha I've ever had. All the other matchas I've had are bitter. Even when you add like stevia, it's still like, it's not hitting right. This, I can drink it without stevia and it's like edible. Like I kind of like it. But I do add the sweetness because I love the sweetness. It's the Sun Goddess matcha from Peak Tea, so I'll link it below. If you guys saw my last vlog, you know that like I've been doing my little 6-month challenge. My morning routine's been going strong. We're on week 2 of my morning routine going dummy hard. And this is the first morning that I woke up that I was like, ugh, I don't wanna like do anything. Which I'm surprised it came this late. Normally that happens like on the 2nd day for me. It waited until the 2nd week. That's why I like the morning routine, because before I used to have non-consistent morning routines. Like I'd be like, one morning I'll meditate, one morning I'll work out. Like it was so inconsistent. It was like throwing around healthy habits, like trying them out like fucking popsicle flavors, but it's not the vibe. I need consistency this year. So I was feeling that mood this morning. And then I just did my morning routine. Didn't think, just did. And I feel a little bit better. I don't want to escape the world today. Maybe a little bit, but not fully. Not as much as I did this morning. You can do this with ice water, but I find that the flavors come out more when you do it with hot water and then just add ice. And so I'm just gonna pour like a touch just to cover the matcha. That amount of water with your matcha. Now I take my little milk frother whisk thing. These just work like amazing. I'm just gonna like whisk her until she's fully blended, not a single dry eye in this theater. What? I think we got her good. Now we're just gonna get some ice. Oh God, wow. More ice. All right. More ice, I think that's a good amount of ice. You can use whatever milk you like, but I like using the barista blend of the oat milk from Oatly because I don't know, it's barista-y. And then I'll just fill her up. I think I put way too much. I don't know. It's just the ratio's off today. Then I like to add some organic stevia drops. They're just easy. The drops just blend the best instead of like actual sugar. I don't know, it's a vibe. So I do like half a dropper of this, just half. Before I used to have to put like 2 droppers in the other matchas that I had, and it was just not healthy for me. So I only have to put half a dropper, and this girlie's sweetened. She's sweetened, and it's so good. I mix her up, and it's matcha. That took me like 90 minutes just to do that. You can look up all of the stuff that's in Athletic Greens, but it's basically a superfood green powder, a perfect start to the morning because you're having like greens and like superfood, shut up, vitamins, the whole thing. You can look up everything that it has. I'm not gonna read it or list it off to you, but that is so annoying. Yeah, that's good enough. Little tablespoons, what? Little tablespoon scoop of this green stuff. Bam, gorgeous, gorgeous. My face, look how white it is. Look how white my face is. Like it just actually bothers me, and nobody has been able to like diagnose what this is, why my body tans, my face stays like sheet white, like paper, pale as a ghost. I'm about to faint white. I don't get it. No one has ever told me why that is. And I've researched it. Nothing has told me why. Like, I don't love it. Like, it's not like matcha. Like, it's not like I enjoy drinking it and I want to drink it for the taste. Hell no. It tastes good enough so that I don't want to chug it. So it's like a medium level of good. But for a greens powder, I would say it's better tasting than most of them. Those are my drinks. I'm getting a late start to the morning because vlogging makes me like slow down. Those are my drinks. I'm gonna finish those, write my to-do list for the day, and then I'm gonna do my workout because I like to have my drinks in the morning before I get into my workout. Then after my workout, I have breakfast. I don't know, I like to space it out like that. I really don't know. Let's go. Okay, it's giving pale. This is my fit, if you can see it. It's giving 80s aerobic instructor. Do you think the sunglasses matter? Does give it like a texture? Yeah. Okay, cool. I don't remember when I shot that the last clip, so it's a new week, it's a new fresh new day, but we're gonna put it together because I have a bunch of vlog clips that just need to, you know, mesh together. Oh, I got new claws. Look at them. I love the shape. They have me really acting different. Do you know what I mean? Things like that. I pretty much like walked you through low key how my new morning routine is. I've been doing it for 3 weeks now, consistently. Love her. So if you guys want me to do the cute version of a morning routine, like film it, you know, all visually pleasing, let me know, like the video, comment down below. I miss making morning routines, so if you're down for that, I will do it. Now that my morning routine is done, I'm gonna do something that I usually do in my night routine. So every day I will take 1 hour to learning. It could be a new skill. It could be something I'm already learning, like French. I'm just enriching my brain for an hour, and I usually do that around like 6 p.m., 6 to 7. I know that I'm not going to be home during that time today, but I don't want to like break the streak and miss this habit, so I can fit it in now versus later. I have my computer now because I think I'm gonna just like sit against my couch and do this on the floor because that's the vibe right now. But I really am in a little interior design moment because I've never fully furnished or finished styling any of my apartments that I've lived in since I moved out. I really don't know anything about styling and interior design, but like I know what looks pretty and what I like. So the vibe today for learning hour is gonna be like interior design, styling, and I found a class on Skillshare. It's called Interior Design Masterclass, Ultimate Essentials and Insider Techniques. So I'm gonna do that. It's like 43 minutes long, so that's perfect, but it's broken up into little chunks. I also wanted to thank Skillshare for sponsoring today's video. You guys know that Skillshare it's what I use. I've used it for years. I have the paid subscription that I have paid for like 90 billion years. If you guys are unfamiliar with Skillshare, which you shouldn't be if you watch this channel, but if you are, Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of classes for anyone who loves to learn and wants to explore their creativity. You can really level up any skill you want. I actually watch a few productivity YouTubers and they've made classes on Skillshare, so that's really just up my alley. I'm obsessed with the productivity courses on here. If you guys want to check out Skillshare, the first 1,000 people to use the link in my description box below will get their first month of Skillshare for free. I would definitely take advantage of that, and it's so affordable every single month. So see how you like it for a month. That's just the vibe. I'm gonna do this course and then I will get on with the rest of my day. Hey girl. Let me button up my pants first. I've been waiting since Christmas to start my herb garden because I wanted to vlog it, but I don't know why it's taking me so long. So we're gonna do it today. So basically it's just like an in-home garden thing. So like it has a light, waters it, feeds it, the whole shtick. So there's basil, there's 2 types of basil. There's dill, there's parsley, there's thyme, and there's mint. I also saw on Amazon that you could put different things in here, so if you want to grow like lettuce or something, you could do that. So I have 3 cameras, 2 of them are broken. So like I have no second B-roll camera, and it's a shame. It's an actual shame. Oh. Okay, can you kind of see it now? I don't know. Anyway, oh, it's giving me recipes. I'm good, thanks. Oh. So here's the seed pod kit. So yeah, you can buy different ones. This is gourmet herbs but there's other vibes. If you want different vibes, you can get different vibes. So let's see what's up. Okay, the pump cord, like a pump cover. I'm done. Where's the plant food? It's obviously probably in this box. Oh my God, look at them. Aww. I'm dying. Can I just stick them in? Wait, I don't know. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Add water. So, ooh, nitrogen, go off. Okay, a capful. Shake bottle, add it directly into the water bowl. The cap on the bottle holds 4 milliliters, blah, 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 blah. Okay, let's fill her up with water. So, yeah. Vacuum wants to throw a little fit today, so let's go put you back on your dock, queen.
Starting charging.
Yeah, as you should, queen.
Starting charging. Emptying the dustbin.
Rude! Thanks, Rue. Okay, I'm gonna fill this with water. Should I put in filtered water? No, watered plants outside have regular water. I was a little hesitant because there's a fucking cord in it. There's also like a piece of bread. What? Should I put my hands in here? Ah! Okay, and then I needed 2 of these bad boys. This is so cute. I actually wanted, I hate when there's a little, you know, let's see if these nails really can do it. Okay, they really can. I've had enough. Ew, it's so ugly and gross. It's giving bone broth gone bad, like not our vibes, not the vibe. And it looks like piss inside here, but whatever. A bad boy from Bradford. I need to stop. You gotta clip in, vibes. There we go. Okay, then what? Then place the seed pods in the opening on the grow deck and then cover them with the grow dome. Okay, why? Thai basil, curly parsley. Let's put you on that side because that feels right for me. Thyme, love her. Never have enough of her. Ooh, dill. I literally never really use dill, but like, go off. Mint, love her as well. And then the last one is Genovia. That's what I'm gonna call it, basil. So, go off. Look at my little garden. Ah, it's so cute. Okay, now I gotta cover it with the grow domes. Oh, Jesus. Why can't anything ever be perfect? And then what? And then what? Okay, oh, was I supposed to be plugging this in earlier? And I just didn't do that. Plug her, wait, where am I gonna keep her? Like, where would she look sexy? Oh! Oh my, that's gonna be annoying. Okay, so, I knew it. Listen to this. Municipal tap water works well in most areas, but if you have really hard water, consider mixing distilled water. I'm putting in filtered water next time, besties. I will not. Only the best for my children. Oh, it'll give me an alert. Wow, I really don't have to do anything. Purr! And you can like hear it drinking. Look how cute it is. Aww. I feel like a real wholesome girl right now, and I love this. I will keep you guys updated on it in the vlogs, and we'll see how she's doing. This is what we can expect, besties. I'm literally so excited to be Barefoot Contessa.